So welcome back. We got a response from the Nix documentation team. Um, so that's the lib thing that we removed in the last video. Replied in the PR thread. All right. Did I react? Up. So we apply, so now we have a new thing. Well, this is cool. So we apply libfake_SHA, right, to get the right hash. But upon removing libfake_SHA, the lib in the argument set becomes an unused binding. Should we delete it? So yes, but Frikla Handwerk says it would also be fine to remove the libfake_SHA altogether and replace it with Nix package's manual recommendation to use the empty string. So yeah, I remember. I mean, I was commenting on it. I didn't like this packaging software, right? So you kind of cheat. No, you don't cheat. You write the lib and then you do the libfake_SHA to get the fake SHA to get the right SHA, right? And you get the SHA, and then you put the right SHA, and then the lib remains here. So we remove the lib. But it seems to be use the empty string. So the fact that the hash belongs to the Nix derivation output and not the file itself can lead to confusion. Consider the fetcher. Common mistake is to update a fetcher's URL or version parameter without updating the hash. Okay, that's not wait. Oh, this will reuse the old content. Remember to invalidate the hash argument, in this case by setting the hash attribute to an empty string. Use the resulting error message to determine the correct hash. Similar problem arises while testing changes to a fetcher's implementation. If the output of the derivation already exists in the Nix store, test failures can go undetected. The invalidate fetcher by drv hash function helps prevent reusing cached derivations. So what here says is that, well, let's try to check. Okay, let's try to build it like that. So let's go to our hello. And yeah, so it says it will build. We'll build without it, right? Wait, let's just remove this and see how it builds. Copy, right? Ah. Delete, 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 delete. Oh, horrible skills. All right, SHA-256. So we put an empty string. This is an empty string. So let's build this. Next, Nix build. Hey, hello. So it should probably output the correct hash. Oh, found empty hash assuming SHA. All right, well, that's cool. Got, so we got a SHA, but wait, what's the SHA we got before? Is it the same? It's the same. So there's no need to use the libfake SHA. Oh, there's no need at all. Yeah. So Ah. So what do we do now? All right. So let's check again what so it will be fine to remove the libfetch altogether and replace it with nix package as manual recommendation to use the empty string. But what do I do now? Like we have to change the whole tutorial. Let's see, where is it used? What will you learn? What do you need? How long does it take? Standard package function. Okay, a hash cannot be known until after the archive has been downloaded and unpacked. Nix will complain if the hash supplied to fetchzip is incorrect. It is common practice to supply a fake one with libfakesha and change the derivation definition after Nix reports the correct hash. So that means we should probably delete this too. We should delete this line because, yeah. Save this file. Lib is available from Nix packages, which must be imported with another Nix expression in order to pass it as an argument to this derivation. Without a value lib. So what's going on here? Nix bill hello.nix lib. Nix bill hello.nix cannot evaluate a function that has an argument without a value. Oh. Oh, that's because we needed, yeah. Ah, you need to unpack this, right? So we declare a lib here. And the value, we take a fake SHA-256 from the lib. But in order to use it, we had to import the Nix packages from, we had to import, oh, this changes the tutorial much. It's gonna be, this changes the tutorial a bit because the lib fake SHA, the lib is imported. Create a default.nix file in the same directory as hello.nix with the following contents. This allows you to run build to realize the derivation. Yeah, you see this? This is not okay. I get it. So he didn't merge this because Strickler Handwerk didn't merge this. It would be fine to remove libfakesha altogether. So what's the recommendation? If the output, use the resulting error message to determine the correct hash. Okay, so now we'll have to change the tutorial. Probably I'm not so ready to do. The hash cannot be known. Will complain because these tutorials, these are not like wikis, you know, where you just write whatever you do. How these are like these are supposed to be really fine, you know, like really compact. The package function. The hash cannot be known until the archive has been downloaded and unpacked. Nix will complain if the hash supplied is incorrect. And now maybe here we can add need to, so this is, remember to invalidate the hash argument, in this case by setting the hash attribute to an empty string. give the output. Yeah, I'll need some time. I don't want to, I'll need some time for this, like sitting and thinking. This will reuse the old contents. Remember to invalidate. Set the hash. I guess they have to change the wording, like set the hash attribute to an empty string and use the resulting error message to determine the correct hash. Yeah, I guess you could do like set the hash attribute to an empty string. The hash cannot be known until after the archive has been downloaded and unpacked. So, yes, set the hash. Guess you could. You see, the problem is not, what do I do with this? Okay, I can edit it, maybe. Can I close pull request? What does it mean, close pull request? So do I edit code spaces? Edit, how do I edit? Files changed. Review, edit file. All right, let's see. Let's fix this. All right, let's fix this. Skeleton derivation package function. The hash cannot be known until after the archive has been downloaded and unpacked. Nix will complain if the hash supplied to fetch zip is incorrect. Now, let's copy the, okay, it is common practice to supply a fake one with libfakeshaw and change the derivation definition after Nix reports the correct hash. So we are going to remember, set the hash attribute to an empty string. Right. Set the hash attribute to an empty string. Set the hash attribute to an empty string. Set the hash attribute to an empty string. And use the resulting error message to determine the correct hash. Set the hash attribute to an empty string, and then use the resulting error message to determine the correct hash. Use the resulting error message. Use the resulting error message to determine the correct hash. To determine the correct hash. But use the resulting from what? Am I extracting a new hello? So we should write like this. And we should remove the lib. Set the hash attribute to an empty string and then use the resulting error message to determine the correct hash. Save this file to hello.nix and run nix build to observe your first build failure. So then, oh, then this thing will be gone too. Wow, this changes like a lot because the lib thing that we passed in is now lib is available from Nix packages, must be ported with another Nix expression in order to pass it as an argument. The recommended way to do this is to create a default.nix file in the same directory as hello.nix with the following contents. Nix default.nix let nix packages fetch tarball. Packages import nix packages hello. This allows you to run nix build to realize the derivation hello.nix will supply lib standard environment fetch zip to the function defined in hello. Now run the nix build, and now we get the SHA. Oh wow. As expected, the incorrect file hash caused an error, and nix helpfully incorrect file hash provided the correct one. In hello.nix replace the lib fake SHA with the in hello.nix replace empty string with the correct hash. Replace the empty string. In hello.nix replace the empty string with the correct hash. I guess this would be the replace the empty string. Replace the empty string with the correct hash. Hello.nix, then environment fetch zip, SHA. Now run the previous command again. Nix build a hello. Alright, so this part is tricky. Lib is available from which must be imported with another nix expression. Building with nix lib. Oh, this changes the tutorial a lot because we build the default.nix. Ooh. Save this. More space. Oh. Can I do like the hash cannot be known until after the archive has been downloaded and unpacked. Nix will complain if the hash supplied to fetch zip is incorrect. Set the hash attribute to an empty string, and then use the resulting error message to determine the correct hash. That's okay. Hello Nix, then you fetch this. SHA, look, okay. Save this file to hello.nix and run nix build to observe your first build failure. Console nix build hello.nix cannot evaluate a function that has an argument without a but. So that means okay, but wait, nix build let's remove the result. Let's collect garbage. Let's collect garbage. I'm not sure if, maybe I'm not, maybe I don't have to do this, but I'm just like trying to go again. This is deleting the garbage I created. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete everything. No, I'm not going to delete everything. I'm going to try to do the tutorial from that part. Yeah. Save this file to hello.nix and run nix build to observe first build failure. Nix build hello.nix. All right. This is taking a while. And so what are we going to do? We're going to nix build hello.nix. But I'm not going to get this error message. What error message am I going to get? Right. That's what we're going to see. And then when I get that error message, I'm going to put that in. Now, problem. The expression in hello nix is a function which only produces its intended output if it's passed the correct argument. The problem is going to be different. Building with nix build. Lib is available. We're not going to need lib. But this, here we are, the default.nix is introduced here. This allows you to run nix build a hello to realize the derivation. So the tutorial needs to be changed a lot. Is this, yeah, just a moment. I need to answer my phone. So yeah, we deleted here. Let's go open our hello.nix. And we are going to we are going to now provide an empty string, right? And now we're going to nix build it as the tutorial says. What does the tutorial say? Nix build hello.nix. All right, so nix build hello.nix. So what's going to happen? Cannot evaluate a function that has an argument without a value. Is this the same? A value lib. Oh, this is a different. Nix attempted to evaluate a function as a top-level expression. In this case, it must have its arguments supplied either by default values or passed explicitly with arg. Standard environment. All right, so it's maybe the problem. The expression hello nix is a function which only produces its intended output if it's passed the correct arguments. So this can remain the same then. This is a relief. Okay. So this stays the same. Fetch zip. That means, okay, then I can home nix user. That means I should delete all of this. Okay, wow, this is a lot. I didn't expect I'll be changing the tutorial so much, but that means I can just, okay, let's copy this, copy, and all right, stable joy, they were nix user. Nix user, a moment. So error cannot without a value. So now instead of lib, we're going to have a standard environment. So this tells us that we do need the default.nix. We do need the default.nix to import the standard environment from nix packages. Yes, that means that. Nix attempted to evaluate a function at top level. In this case, it must have its arguments supplied either by default values or passed explicitly with arg or arg string c. At home nix user hello.nix. So problem. The expression in hello.nix is a function which only produces its intended output if it's passed the correct arguments. Great. So standard environment is available from nix packages, which must be imported with another nix expression in order to pass it as an argument to this derivation. So standard std-env. So that probably means that we're gonna std-env. Is this true? Może. So std-env is available from nix packages, which must be imported with another nix expression in order to pass it as an argument to this derivation. So in order to pass this as an argument, right? And even fetch, I guess the same thing would be with fetch zip, because Yeah, we cannot, we have to pass it a default. That's why we need the default.nix with the nix packages. Let's try. So wait, ls, what do we have here? We have a default.nix, right? Oh, so standard environment is available, which must be imported with another nix expression in order to pass the assignment to this. The recommended way to do this is to create a default.nix. Okay, now I think we are nix default.nix, right? Overlays. This allows you to run nix build -a hello to realize the derivation in hello nix similar to the current convention used in nix packages. Note, passes attributes. In this case, call package will supply lib, standard fetch zip. All right. So we can delete the lib here. In this case, call package will supply standard environment and fetch zip to the function defined in hello.nix. Now run the nix build command with the new argument, nix build a hello, nix build a hello, and let's see. Wow, this is nice. And, at first I was like, ooh, because so far the two PRs I did were just like, finding syntax mistakes. But this is kind of already a bit bigger, and which is kind of nice to make this bigger step. Now run the nix build with new arguments. Now it should work. URL specified. Now it should give us the right hash. Error. Oh no, it's getting it? No. Unpacking. Yes, 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 yes. Error mismatch. All right. So yeah, it didn't paste all that in. Unpacking, hash mismatch, error, hash mismatch, mismatch, specified, got error, one dependency of derivation. Error, one dependencies of derivation, hello, failed to build. I guess we can fix this too, right? We don't have we can, one dependency of derivation. Error, got. Error, got. Error, one dependency of derivation, failed to build. Maybe we can add this too, right? Because it's... Yeah. Finding as expected, the incorrect file hash caused an error. Nix helpfully provided the correct one. Hello.nix replaced the empty string with the correct hash. So now we replaced it with the correct hash. Now run the previous command again, nix build a hello. This derivation will be built. Creating makefile. Great, the derivation built successfully. All right, build results. The result, console, congratulations. All right, now let's fix the icat. Change the default.nix from the previous section by adding a new attribute, right? Copy hello nix to a new file icat and update the pname version. All right, we delete the lib. Source fetch zip, icat. Instead of fetch zip, this time you will use fetch GitHub. to function accordingly. Instead of fetch tip, is there a reference to the way we got the hash? icat, no lib, standard environment, source, fetching source. While fetch tip required URL and SHA arguments, more are needed. More are needed. The source URL is icat with first two arguments. That's fine. Navigate. As in the hello example, a hash must also be supplied. This time, instead of using libfake_sha and letting nix build report, instead of using an empty string, empty string and letting nix build report the correct one in an error, you can fetch the correct hash in the first place with the nix prefetch URL command. You need the SHA of the contents. All right. Nix prefetch, set the correct hash for a fetch from GitHub. Standard mk there a lib. We have a lib here. We're going to delete that. We're going to delete that too. Key name, version. All right. Missing dependencies. Console me. Builder. Right. icat. There's the lib here. You know, there's probably, I've just realized I should really clone the nix.dev because I started with the little things here and there. Like I saw a semicolon that I had to remove, so I did it with the GitHub interface. But now I see I will need to actually clone it in my on my local machine and basically use Helix or a text editor and just, I could search for any lib reference and just delete it, and not like this going slowly. Okay, this file is not so long, but imagine if the file was really big. So yeah, this wouldn't be practical what I'm doing now, and I guess you could yeah, you can do this for like small things, or if you're in a rush or something, or you don't have it cloned locally. But this tells me the way I had to solve this. It would be probably much better and even quicker clone it. But then you need to set up really your environment, and I think I have to set up the token or whatever, GitHub token. All right, I think this is it. Oh wow. Local derivation search. Okay, here is one more. SHA, build inputs, fixing build failures, install phase, icat, and there's another lib that we are going to remove. But at least I understood now, because the default.nix is providing not just the lib, but the standard environment and the fetch zip. So all of these things that come from Nix packages, you need to import them. You need to provide some kind of you cannot just declare them. You need to import them from somewhere. Phases and hooks, icat.nix, successful build, next steps. All right, so this is it. I could like commit changes. So this is removing, update packaging existing software. So remove lib and lib fake SHA-256. Remove lib and lib fake SHA-256, and I edit in this case, set the hash attribute to an empty string. Remove lib fake SHA and update tutorial. I guess. Move lib fake SHA, update tutorial. So this removes the lib, and the fake SHA-256. This removes the lib and the lib fake SHA-256, and removes and any reference to it in the tutorial. The new, it's to the using the tutorial is updated with the empty string. What is updated? Oh, this is not really. This removes the lib and lib fake SHA. Any reference to it in the tutorial. Any reference to it in the tutorial. Any reference to it in hello.nix and icat.nix. In the tutorial, using the HTTP, the wording is changed. Using the moves any reference to the portfolio, this and any reference to the portfolio in the tutorial. The tutorial is updated using the Nix packages. Tutorial is updated using the caveats, providing the empty string. To get the SHA. Wow, is this a good message? This removes the lib. This removes. Yeah, so one like channel content. So the notion, I think I have it opened up here. So no, I don't have it. So sometimes this is a great way to check your grammar. Chalmers functional programming. All right, let's just do it here. Just want to check the grammar. KI. So the Notion has this nice fixed spelling and grammar. This removes the lib and lib fake SHA along with any references to the Mellanox Nix from the tutorial. The tutorial is updated using Nix packages table chapter, providing an empty string to get the SHA. The missing SHA, the missing hash, place selection, the missing hash. I guess we could do it like this. Commit directly to the patch 2 branch. Create a new branch for this commit and start a pull request. Oh, let's do the same, right? Commit changes. So now, now we have a lot more changes. Lib unused binding in hello.nix. Lib unused binding in hello.nix. Right? Wow. So this was how long did this take? 40 minutes. All right. This is kind of nice. This episode was about, so you see, this is like the stuff what we deleted and stuff what we add. Okay, I made the changes. Okay, let me Okay, replied. Okay, I made all the changes. I made all the changes and updated text. Updated the text a bit. Made all the changes and updated the text a bit. Oh, okay. Maybe I'm not supposed to answer here in chat. But this is kind of exciting, right? Okay, so now we have a. This PR is much bigger, right? Checks. Now he's doing the checks. Yeah, he's doing the checks. Maybe I made mistakes, you know? I don't know. The Shaw. Oh yeah, that was it. I'll see. Yeah, all the changes we did. This is nice. I really like this. Like you can see what happened before and what happened later. All right. So this is like, this is a big change. All right. So thanks for watching. And this is how you can contribute, right? That was fun. All right. Bye-bye.